सबसे पहले तो सभी लोगों को गुड मॉर्निंग, हैप्पी संडे, रक्षाबंधन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग आउट। संडे का दिन होता है कि सब चाहते हैं घर पे रहें, सोएं, आराम से उठें, टीवी देखें, संडे पर चिल आउट करें अपने फैमिली के साथ। लेकिन ये सुबह सुबह आज मैं बच्चों से पूछ रहा था तो स्कूल के बच्चे संडे के दिन, छुट्टी के दिन 5 बजे उठकर 5:30 बजे नहा धोकर तैयार होकर इस काम के लिए निकलें और फिर भी चेहरों पर इतनी मुस्कुराहट है, थकान बिल्कुल नहीं है। I think they feel they're part of something big, something important, and it's wonderful that both Shaina NC and her legendary father Nana Chudasama ji, who've been organizing this consistently, who've been trying to do their bit to make Mumbai greener so consistently for so many years. It's lovely to be here and celebrate that. I mean, it's the gift of oxygen, and the gift of oxygen is the gift of life. सबसे पहले तो thank you for coming this morning. I see a lot of young beautiful faces this morning, smiling bright on a Sunday morning. सुबह सुबह उठ के आना पड़ा, लेकिन मम्मी ने कितने बजे उठाया? 5:30 in the morning. Okay, so you guys woke up earlier than I woke up. But thank you for making the effort because this is very important. I'd like to start by saying thank you to the legend sitting to my left. Nana Chudasama Sahab is somebody whose work speaks volumes, whose work will outlive all of us because he has had such an amazing imprint on Mumbai. Everywhere that you see some positivity, some development, some initiatives, there has to be Nana Chudasama Sahab's name somewhere associated with it, and the organization that he has been so successfully running, Giants, have been doing such a great job. Mrs. Gadgil, lovely meeting you, and I hope that you will be supporting us from the government for this initiative. Shaina, who is a friend and an extremely active agent of social change, is a model, I think, for a lot of you young girls, because she's somebody who I keep asking her how she manages it. She is a designer also. She is active in social activities also. She is extremely active in politics also, and she's also a mom and a housewife, so she manages everything. So I think that she's an idol to look up to. And Mr. Maria, I think is one of the real life heroes. हम लोग तो फिल्म में हीरो होते हैं, but these are the actual real life heroes. हम लोग तो नकली गोलियों के साथ खेलते हैं. But it's great to have an icon from Mumbai Police with us today. I remember researching about him जब मैं शूट आउट एट लोखंडवाला कर रहा था, और अब और एक गैंगस्टर फिल्म करने जा रहा हूँ, तो जब भी रिसर्च करने लगते हैं तो इनका नाम जरूर आता है. So thank you for being here today, and I think it's a great thing that after what you just said, I think khaki and green will look good together. Mumbai Police will be the first eco-friendly police in India, maybe in the world. So thank you, Mr. Maria, for the initiative. And it's lovely being here. Greenery is the most important thing, and I think it's the gift of oxygen for people to come. So let's all make Mumbai green, and not just in terms of having pet frogs. Let's plant trees.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.